Hello friends, welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. I'm Seva, and in this video we are going to talk about reflexive verbs in Russian. If you're interested, please subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, like this video and keep watching. So, what are reflexive verbs in Russian? They're basically a group of verbs which indicate self in a sentence. So, the closest thing in English is myself, yourself, himself, herself, etc. This concept exists in some other European languages too. So let's dive into it and see how we use it. Reflexive verbs often mean that the subject and the object is the same thing. Reflexive verbs in Russian are conjugated the same way as all other verbs, except that we add ся or си at the end. So technically it comes after the ending of the word, and people also call it a postfix, which is like a suffix but which comes after the ending. You don't really have to know that as long as you know how to use it. So how do we decide when to use ся and си? The rule is very simple. You just need to look at the preceding letter. Unless it is a vowel, always use ся. So, for example, просыпаться, to wake up. Я просыпаюсь, ты просыпаешься, он, она просыпается, мы просыпаемся, вы просыпаетесь, они просыпаются. If you don't remember how to conjugate verbs, check out our video about it. Find the link in the description box. Let's look at another example. Учиться, to study. Я учусь, ты учишься, он, она учится, мы учимся, вы учитесь, они учатся. Here are some examples of reflexive verbs. Одеваться, встречаться, убираться, смеяться, улыбаться, родиться. Let's look at some sentences with examples. Петя учится в МГУ. Это ресторан. Мы встречаемся там. Я убираюсь каждый день. Катя много улыбается. When a verb is followed by another verb, we have to put the second verb in the dictionary form or the infinitive. For example, я люблю убираться. Мария начинает учиться. А вы много учитесь? Вы любите убираться? Tell us in the comments. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments below, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and until next time, пока-пока!